Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. Today I am going to compare Android OS and iOS with Samsung smartphone and iPhone. Let me first show you what OS running in this smartphones. You can see my iOS device running iOS 14.6 and Android mobile running Android 10. Both of mobiles have option to create an account. In my Samsung mobile need to create a Samsung account. On iPhone should be create Apple ID. This both devices have cloud service. On Samsung have Samsung Cloud. iPhone have iCloud. Samsung Cloud give free 15 GB space. iCloud gives 5 GB free space. We can upload our favorite pictures, videos and documents to this cloud services. If you wish to get more space, we can purchase cloud space to our email. Both mobiles have Find My Phone option. We can find our lost phone using this feature. I will share new video about this feature and how to use. When we see the below, we can sign out with our accounts and sign in with new accounts. Let's see appearance and apps. I love to use Facebook app for this. In Facebook app, the Facebook icons we can see in iOS downside of the screen. Android device have top of the screen, but not a big different. If we wish to get new apps to mobile phone, we can use App Store in iOS device. In Android we can use Google Play Store. They have different appearance in Google Play Store and App Store. When we're going to download an app from App Store we can check the app size before download. Even we installed app. But we cannot check the app size in Google Play Store without clicking download icon. When we're talking about app sizes, usually iOS apps have bigger size than Android apps. For same app. Dual Messenger feature. This feature available only Android mobile. In Samsung Smart Mobile have 3 WhatsApp apps. One of WhatsApp for business, but other app from Dual Messenger feature. If you wish to enable this Dual Messenger feature in Android, go to the setting and search Dual Messenger. Then you will find the Dual Messenger option. And what apps support for this? We can double the app from here. It's make one more app same like original. If you can't to find this, go to the setting then advanced feature. Now select Dual Messenger option. Browsers. iOS have Safari browser. It's famous and good quality browser. It's bring new features in iOS 15 update. You can check what is it? From link in description. Android smartphone have browser called Internet. I mean in this Samsung smartphone. Both browsers support to downloads from Internet. When you download from Safari browser, make sure to save it individually. Then it's appear in Galley in iPhone. Music. iOS have Apple Music. This is the good way to download music in good quality. But it's not free. We should purchase it with monthly payment. When we download the music file from browser, the music file not appear in this Apple Music app, but we can listen it from browser. Other thing is we can add music files from PC or laptop using iTunes. Don't have idea for how to work iTunes? You can ask me from comment section. On Android mobile, Google Music Player go away now. Therefore we can use another music app from Google Play Store. I got Samsung Music from Google Play Store to this Samsung smartphone. Apple TV. Apple TV feature available in iPhone iOS. We can watch movies and TV shows from Apple TV. But Apple TV 2 not free. We should purchase it from Apple. With monthly payment same as Apple Music. But we can add videos too from iTunes from PC or laptop. Notification bar and shortcuts bar. When we drag down the notification bar, Android have shortcut icons here. We can replace or add more icons from this 3 dots in here. iOS left side of notifications. When you drag down from right you will find shortcut icons in iOS. And swipe to right. We can customize another shortcuts and widgets. Dark mode. This feature available in both OS. We can search it from setting or go to the display setting. Then we can add dark mode from here and if you wish to create schedule for dark mode, you are able to create it. This dark mode support to WhatsApp, Facebook and other apps. Doesn't work for that? Check my other videos. Okay. This is the video for iOS and Android. If I missed features or something important, comment me below. To watch more videos, subscribe me. Thank you. See you again.